Looking for your dream student pad in Brighton? Look no further. Welcome to Promenade Student Living Brighton, where student living gets an upgrade. Choose your ideal space from stylish en-suites to classic and premium studios, each outfitted with a cozy bed, a desk and chair for study sessions, and plenty of room for all your belongings. But wait, there's more. Dive into a vibrant lifestyle with modern amenities. Chill with friends in the TV lounge, focus in the dedicated study spaces, and take advantage of the on-site laundry facilities. Rest easy with 24/7 CCTV keeping you safe. Plus, forget the hassle of separate bills. Utilities are all included in your rent, saving you money. The location is unbeatable. Kings Brighton and Bellerbys College are within walking distance, so no more morning travel hassles. Grab your favorite food at Taco Bell and enjoy a brew at Pelicano Coffee Co. Need groceries? Aldi Supermarket is just around the corner. And with nearby bus stops like Lemon Road shops, getting around the city is a breeze. Ready to make Promenade Student Living Brighton your home? Visit amberstudent.com and secure your spot today.